5 Great Side Hustles to Make Money Now. Welcome to Beat of Her Drum. Hello there, nice to have you here. Lots of great information to share with you. I would like to share at least 5 side hustles that you can do to make money. During these times of uncertainty, many are seeking employment or side hustles to make ends meet. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Number 1, TaskRabbit.com. When you sign up, just click the type of work that you would like to do, and then under that category it will tell you the hourly rate. For example, cooking and baking, they are paying $22 an hour. Also be sure to choose your location. You can also do tasks like moving, cleaning, and running errands. Number 2, Turo.com. Make money renting your car. Do you have an extra car that you aren't using? You can make money renting out your car. Just click on List Your Car. The ad says that you will be able to share your car and earn an average of $706 per month. Now that's fantastic. It's a cheaper alternative for people to rent a vehicle. You can set your daily price, but Turo will charge you a fee. See the site for specific details. Number 3, Beta Tester. Get paid to test products for companies. There are many companies in which you can test products, but I will give you 4 to get started. UserTesting.com, TryMyUI.com, Userlytics.com, and Respondent.io. Just sign up as a tester and you can help companies with their marketing and research. You can get paid from $10 per test to $100 or more. Just a side note, Respondent.io requires a more detailed process because they pay a little bit more. And coming in at number 4, flipping items on eBay or other platforms. Many are successful in flipping items for resale. You can find items at garage sales, Goodwill stores, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or you can purchase items and sell them at a higher price. You can fix electronic items and resell them. Clothing and shoes are other popular items that you can sell on eBay, but also check out Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook Marketplace. If you are good at designing or making your own clothes, you may want to look into Etsy. Are you good with arts and crafts? Etsy is the great way to go. Number 5, Lime S. Yes, you can get paid to charge scooters in your local cities. You can make up $100 per day picking up scooters and charging them at home as a juicer, that's the position name, and make about $5 per scooter. Check your local areas for the availability. There are quite a few videos on YouTube showing you the process of picking up and charging these Lime scooters. This is a great way to make extra money. Now I'm going to give you a bonus side hustle that you may not have even considered, but you will need to invest a little money in this. Number 6, 3D camera photography. If you are looking for a great independent job that pays up to $200 per hour, this is for you. These cameras can be used for real estate properties. You can take 3D pics of properties. You can work with a real estate agent and use software that allows customers to view properties in 3D form from their home. You can also use for recording concerts and music venues. What a great way to make money. These cameras can be expensive, but the Insta360 One X, it runs about $499. I hope I've given you some great ideas in which you can think about and how you can make some extra money. During these times, we need all the help we can get. I'll be making more videos to help you along the way. Thanks so much for watching.